Businesses worldwide are revolutionizing their supply chain with ECM PrintStator motor CAD and PCB Stator technology. ECM's innovative approach to motor design empowers businesses to take control of motor production, shifting from a reliance on motor OEMs.
PrintStator software generates Gerber design files that can be seamlessly sent to PCB houses around the world, streamlining motor development through established manufacturing practices.
This eliminates the need to set up costly winding lines, speeding up motor design and production. The axial flux form factor of a printed circuit board stator allows for very straightforward and easy assembly, with limited capital expenditures.
With the challenging stator build out of the way, more clients now integrate vertically within their facilities, seizing control of their supply chain. Vertical integration means reduced overhead, improved efficiency, and enhanced cost control.
PCB Stator and PrintStator motor CAD drive innovation and growth, optimizing production and leading the industry. To leverage the benefits of PCB Stator motor technology and PrintStator motor CAD, contact us today at PCBstator.com.